Hi, I'm Kelly from Using Technology Better, and here is your Google Education Update for March 2024. The first is a bit of a rebranding. So Bard is now called Gemini. So if you're looking for Bard, you can now find it in its new home labeled with Gemini. Similar looking logo, similar feel, still the same amazing AI tool that we love to use within our classrooms, but things like helping us with our planning, helping us with our report writing, giving us some lovely text writing examples, and even some differentiated reading activities. So really, your imagination is your oyster when it comes to using Gemini in your classroom and to help you with all of that admin sort of stuff that really don't like spending a lot of time doing because we're teachers, we want to teach. The second one is for Google Classroom practice sets. So if you've got the teaching and learning upgrade, you have the practice sets, and now you can actually import your questions from any Google Forms that you have inside your Drive. So I know that we've all got these amazing Google Forms that we've used with our classes for years, and we didn't want to have to rewrite them all into Google practice sets. So now you don't have to. When you go in and create a new practice set, right down the bottom, you'll notice that there is an import button. You can just go in there, find your questions from your Google Forms and pull them straight in to practice sets. Add in your skills, choose your resources for your students, and bam, you're done. So a really amazing time saver to pull all our resources we've been using for a while. The next one is pretty cool. This is a classwork page sharing. So we can just click in and share our classroom. We can turn on the ability to share our classroom with other teachers, grab that link, email it to whoever it is that would like a copy of your classroom activities, and then send it away. If you are lucky enough to receive one of these links, then all you're going to do is click on that link. It's going to take you to a viewing part of that classwork page. Choose the assignments or units that you want to export, and you can export them straight into your own class. Bam, so easy. Love the collaboration for this one and the whole sharing is caring nature. Really amazing. And my last one for you is, either you might have this or it might be coming, is that Gmail has a new unsubscribe button to all of that spam that you might get into your Gmail account from things that you've signed up to. All these amazing tools that keep coming up for teachers, but they keep sending us all their newsletters and they send us like deals and things like that. So if Google can pick up that it is one of these types of emails, it will pop that unsubscribe button either for you on the row if you've got those enabled. Otherwise, it'll be at the top of the email. You can just click that and it sends an unsubscribe email through to the company that sent it to you. That's all for me for the month of March. I hope that you have an amazing month and enjoy the updates.